back to day 10 of our 30-day Power BI series. I'm Ume Asma and I'm thrilled to have you here as we continue diving deeper into Power BI series. Okay, so today's focus is on Slicer in Power BI. So here, slicers are one of the most powerful and user-friendly tool in Power BI. So they enable viewers of your reports to interact with data dynamically, allowing them to filter information based on their needs. Okay, so now let's look at what a slicer. So slicers are visual tool that allows you to filter data in your report based on fields like you can give a categories, you can give a dates or any numeric ranges you can give it. Okay. So this is our Power BI. So what I do here is I'll choose a column chart here. All right. Yeah, then after that I'll be okay, here I'll give a data. So here I have a two data. I have a data orders data you have already seen in my previous videos. Now here I have a one more data set, that is your sales report. In this I have a category, date, hierarchy, profit, region, sales, and the subcategory here. Okay, so what I do here is in the x-axis I want to see the region. Okay, and in the y-axis I'll give a sales. Okay, sales by region. Okay, like here we have a four region, that is north, west, south, west, north, and east. Okay, so this is the sales by region we can see here. Now if I apply a slicer, okay, in the slicer I give a date here. Okay, so date hierarchy I'll give it. Yeah, so see here, you have a calendar button. So to which date, like I want to see from date one, that is your starting, and here you have an ending from date 1 to date 5. Okay, so here you can see that it's a date from the north, west, and the southeast. Okay, so I can display the data only from 1 to 5th. Okay, all right. Yes. So this is how the slicer works. Okay. Now I just want to close this. Now I want to see it with the subcategory wise. Okay. So this is our subcategory. So here I have a cabinet. So if I select a cabinet in the west region, okay. So the cabinets are in the west region. The cameras in the north region we have, and here jackets in the south region. Okay, so this is the single data of different region. You can see where it is available. Okay, in which region the category is available, you can see that. Okay, yeah. So now I will close this. um I want to see with the category wise here. Okay, so let's drag this on field. Here I have three categories, that is your clothing, electronics, and the furniture. So when I select a clothing, you can see the south, east, and the north. Okay, so what is the clothing in the south? Okay, I want to select it all, so you can give it. Okay, yeah, so I cannot select the all, only one thing I can select it here. Okay, that also I'll show you in the format. Okay, yeah, yes, so this is done. I'll show you with one more data set here with our orders data set. Okay, here we have a product category, we give it in a field. Okay, here we have a furnitures, office supply, but here we have to change the data as well. Okay, in the so here I'll be giving a order date. Here in the order date we have a year, quarter, month, and the day. Okay, some of the sales you can see it here. Now I just don't want this uh day, month. I want to just look at the quarter. Okay, the year and the quarter. All right, yeah, let's give a month as well. Okay, so year, quarter, and the month wise sales we are seeing it here. Okay, here I have given a category wise. So when I see in the furniture, in the January, February, March. Okay, so this is the furniture you can see, and here we have an office supply and the technology here. Okay, so now look at the let's look at the format here. Okay, you can see with the product with subcategories as well here. Okay, yeah, here we have a different subcategories. Appliances, we have windows and window accessories, bookcases, chairs, computers, copiers, and fax and envelopes. Okay, so here you can check it out and give that Okay, now let's go to the format now. So here we have a slicer setting. So you can give it a list you have seen. So this is your vertical list, and this is your tile. Okay, and the last one is your drop down. If you have a small space, okay, you don't have a space, only a small, so this drop down takes only a little space. Okay, wherever you want you can fix our slicer. All right, so now here we have a selection. So here single select is off here, so we can give a multi select as well. My multi selection is off, so I want a single selection. So click on the drop down. See, you can select it, only a single thing you can select it here. Okay, yeah, now I'll off this one single select. So here if you want to see this select all option here, so you can see the option here. Okay, select all. So all your categories will be selected here. All right, yeah, so that is done. Now let's look at slicer header. Okay, yes, so now here we have a slicer header. If you want to give it, let's give it a not a product. So let's give a subcategory only. Okay, you can give a title, you can give a font size, font, and the font size you can either give it in a bold, italic, or a underline, and you can even change the colors of the see the header. Okay, slicer header. All right, yeah. So now let's look at the borders here. Yeah, text, here we have a text. So tile text, you can give it a subcategory. Here you can select your desired font and the text. Okay, the same thing which we have it in our slider header. Yeah, now in the slider header we have a background as well. If you want to give a background, you can give it here. Okay, so see, yeah, so here next if you scroll down, you have a values here, so you can change the font color of the values. Okay, so see here when you click on a drop down here. Okay, and the space you can give it. Okay, again in the values we have a border. Okay, bottom position, top, or the left, wherever you want to give, you can give it here. Okay, or the right. Okay, so see here. All right, so I'll give it to a top. Then you can change the color here, change it to a black color. See this one, borders. All right, you can see this is the borders here we have, and here you can give a background for your borders as well. Okay, yeah, perfect. So now this is done. Okay, so this is the slicer of options we have. That's it for day 10. Slicer make your reports interactive and user friendly, empowering your audience to explore data independently. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments how you are using Slicer in your reports, or if you have any questions. All right, so you can comment down. Join me tomorrow for day 11, where we will explore another exciting feature in Power BI. Until then, keep learning and keep creating amazing reports. Okay, so bye bye. Take care.